I learned what I was told by the ear, nose, and throat doctor is there is no treatment for this, specific treatment, but you have to learn how to live with it. And you have to learn to ignore it. It did not impinge upon my daily life until sometime last year when things went to a higher, my hearing got progressively worse, and the tinnitus started really impinging upon my daily life. And so then I came to see Dr. Wyckoff after I have been told by my ear, nose, and throat doctor with a shrug, you have tinnitus. Well, of course I have tinnitus. Well, can you help me or something? Nothing. Zero. I was considering suicide. It was so bad. And I saw no way that I could do anything about it. I mean, I've dealt with it for 25, 30 years, but this was way above what I had ever experienced. And the noise in my ear was unbearable, constant. She fitted me with the new type of hearing aids, and these have been helpful in that I don't know the specifics of the technology, but it decreases the level or the volume of the tinnitus by about 30% or maybe sometimes 35%. Do not get discouraged when people just shrug their shoulders. Well, it's tinnitus, nothing we can do about it. Go get some help. Call the Tinnitus Association. Call Dr. Wyckoff if you live in this area. And it will hopefully diminish your suffering, which I can tell you can sometimes be really very severe.